What up, nerds? I'm just gonna make a quick video about creating automation clips in third-party VSTs like Serum or Babylon or whatever. Pretty much any third-party VST, this is how you're gonna create an automation clip. So if you go to Flex or any plugin like Harmor, Harmless, whatever, that's just an FL native plugin, and you right click any knob, you can go to create automation clip and it'll create an automation clip out of whatever parameter you right clicked. But if you go to a plugin like Serum and you right click, you don't get anything like that. So for a little while I thought that I wasn't even able to create automation clips out of these, which didn't make any sense. So I found out that if you want to create an automation clip out of any knob or parameter within a plugin that's not made by FL Studio, you got to go up here to the multi-link to controllers button. Pretty much anything you hover over in FL, you can find out what it is by just going over to your little hint panel. So you go to your multi-link to controllers button and just click it and go tweak a parameter a little bit, then go right click multi-link to controllers, and that's where you'll get that same window that you get when you right click something that's an FL stock plugin. And so now we can just go to create automation clips, and we just created an automation clip out of the cutoff. Like I said, this works for anything. So like in Babylon, if I wanted to do the same thing, click multi-link, tweak the parameter, right click multi-link, and go to create automation clip. One of the cool things that you can do with this same idea is, say you like messed around in Serum for a while and had maybe 5 or 6 different parameters that you wanted to create automation clips out of. You can go to that same button, click it, tweak every single one of the parameters that you want. Let's do the wavetable position, the sub level, and right click, then go to create automation clips, and it'll create every single one of those automation clips that you clicked on. And so you could do this up to I think 100 times and just have a big automation clip for every parameter within a plugin, which can be pretty fun and cool for sound design stuff. That's really it. Nothing too crazy, just something that annoyed me for a little while and can make using these third-party plugins a lot easier and more fun. It works for FX plugins as well, just like anything that's third-party that you want to make an automation clip out of. Same exact trick every single time. And I definitely recommend, if you haven't already done this, just go hover over every single one of these buttons and figure out what that hint panel is telling you, so that you can just know exactly what every single thing does. It makes using this program a lot more comfortable and easy. That's all I got. Later.